হকের দাওয়াত সিদ্দিকিয়া দরবার সুন্নাতি জামে মসজিদ অ্যান্ড সুন্নাতি স্কুল কলেজ অ্যান্ড এতিমখানা মাদ্রাসা বারোপুর বগুড়া Holy Sobe Barat 2025 celebration. Alhamdulillah, with great joy, we announce that Hoker Dawat Siddiqia Darbar Sunnati Jame Masjid and Sunnati School College Etimkhana Madrasa has organized a special night of worship and supplication for the blessed Shabe Barat. Date 14th of February, Friday night. Time from Maghrib to Fajr. On this secret night, there will be special was, Milad Qiyam, Zikir Azkar, and supplication gatherings. The event will be led by the esteemed Murshid Qibla of Hoker Dawat Siddiqia Darbar Sharif and anti-terrorism and anti-extremism spiritual leader Muhammad MMD Imam Ashraf Alimullah Siddiqui. You are cordially invited to this blessed gathering. Let us engage in worship together and seek Allah's mercy and forgiveness. By the way, admission is ongoing. Admissions are now open for the new academic season at Hoker Dawat Siddiqia Darbar Sunnati Jame Masjid and Sunnati School College and Etimkhana Madrasa Baropur Bogura. Contact us for admission 01712 225285 or 01328 310300. Join us in creating an environment of Islamic learning and spreading the true message of Islam. Thank you.